Be prepared because between now and mid-July, one particular hype train is going to be running at full speed. Nothing, the technology company founded by former OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei, will release its second smartphone on July 11. The Nothing Phone 2 is definitely one of the most anticipated new phone releases of the year, and judging by how well received the Nothing Phone 1 was this time last year, the sequel is sure to gather plenty of attention. So hey everyone, I am Ayosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, you subscribe now. There are several good reasons why it should be talked about, with the main one this time being we know it's going to be released in the US. The Nothing Phone 1 wasn't sold in the US upon launch, but did later get a small, focused release to appease the dedicated fans patiently waiting for it. That's all changing this time, and Nothing has already confirmed that the Phone 2 will be getting a US release right from the start. Another reason for excitement is the impressive performance of the Nothing Phone 1, coupled with the limited options available in the US for those who don't wish to spend exorbitant amounts on a new phone. While the cost of the Nothing Phone 2 remains unclear, it is likely to compete with phones such as the Google Pixel 7, Pixel 7a, and Samsung Galaxy A54 in terms of price range. The availability of another high-quality and sought-after smartphone in this price bracket would be a welcome addition to the market. Although the release of the Nothing Phone 2 is scheduled for next month, there have been numerous rumors and official details from the company that have provided insights into what we can anticipate from the device. For a detailed overview of everything we know about the phone so far, you can refer to our comprehensive Phone 2 roundup. Nothing has announced that it will launch the Phone 2 on July 11 at 11 a.m. ET, 8 o'clock a.m. PT, via an online event which will be streamed on the company's website. The Phone 2 will be Nothing's second product announcement of 2023 and its second sequel too. It released the Nothing Ear 2 earbuds at the end of March this year, which followed up on the brand's first ever product, the Nothing Ear 1. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in next one.